Is this the most flexible 5-in-1 stroller for growing families?
We're trying the Silver Cross Breez multi-mode stroller in case you aren't able to, starting with what you'll love about it.
So what's really cool about this stroller is that while the bassinet is attached, it does fold.
That's awesome, because that means it's just an all-in-one system, no separate parts.
And then also the bassinet is overnight certified, so baby can sleep in there as well.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
So it's like you get multiple things in one system.
The bassinet comes with everything that you need. It has an apron, it comes with a mattress, and then it also has really great ventilation.
Ooh, all important things, especially for babies sleeping overnight.
And then there's one more on top that's gonna allow you to extend the canopy as well for more coverage. So if you don't buy the bassinet separately, this stroller is newborn ready and goes up to 55 pounds.
Okay, that's so nice.
Yes.
Something straight from newborn out of the box.
It's gonna last you.
Yeah, it'll last until toddlerhood.
You can recline it all the way flat. And then if you want to put it in carriage mode for a newborn, underneath is going to be an apron that you can pull up and you attach it right underneath, just like that. It does have Velcro straps for you to attach it so it's not gonna move, which is really great for any like shade or like wind, anything like that for baby. And this isn't even with the canopy extended.
No.
If you did want more coverage when baby's laying flat, and then there's another shade here. You can also have it facing the world, it could be facing parent, or you can also add a car seat.
There's a lot of different options to really suit your needs and as your baby grows.
If you wanted your seat to be higher, you're gonna press these two buttons on the side, and you can actually lift the seat. For me, I think I would use this if I want to put more storage underneath.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, then it makes it really easy to access the basket.
And you can do that in any mode. For the stroller fold, it is just as simple, and it's just gonna pop up like that. And it stands on its own. And then again, the handle, it's really nice. It has a cushion for your shoulder, so it's not gonna dig in or anything like that.
And it's super easy, you don't have to look for it. It's just right apparent.
It's right there as soon as it folds down, The handlebar is gonna adjust, which is really nice for different heights of parent.
Ooh, that goes up very high.
Very high. For me, this obviously would be a little too tall, but if your partner is tall, this is perfect. And you're literally just with the click of one button.
Oh, that's so nice. And it clicks into place so you really know when it's on the different height levels.
The footrest is super simple to adjust, very seamless, and then when you pull it back up, you're gonna hear it click.
Nice, and it's a very extended leg rest too. Perfect for smaller babies.
So the storage basket holds up to 22 pounds.
That's a lot of things.
I haven't had a stroller that holds that much, so I feel like that's great, especially with the adjusted seat. You can fit a lot under there. And then also too, it is gonna extend right here in the back. You're just gonna pull it, and then also has a nice little mesh area for storage.
Oh, you don't even need to unzip or do anything. It just automatically opens.
Automatically opens up for you. And if you want it hidden, you put it in, and then you could just close it up so no one can
I like
see
that locking system too.
It does have a 5-point harness, and it's magnetic, which for me is a game changer.
Yeah.
You can adjust this for your baby as soon as you put them in. But if you wanted to, these could just stay on.
Oh, that's very convenient. It's like you set it and forget it.
Once you have it set for size and then arms go in, this is the best part that I love. It's just gonna find each other.
So nice.
It's gonna snap, and then same with the buckle, it's magnetic. It's just gonna pop on. So the seat is super cushiony, really soft, padded.
That is very padded. That's a comfortable ride for babies.
What's really nice though too is when you unzip it, you can remove it to wash, and then you do have a mesh lining underneath the padding.
Okay, being able to take it off and wash it for all the snacking babies, that is very helpful.
Yeah, and then also for baby in different sizes, it has a no-rethread harness, so it's really easy to just adjust.
Super simple. Okay, not having to finagle that, especially with a squirmy baby. That's awesome.
Another thing about the seat, it's really great. It's gonna have 2 buttons on the side. Makes it so easy for you just to take it off and then flip it.
I feel like you don't see that very often.
No, you have to usually push the sides.
Yeah, and find it. That makes it super simple.
Yeah. When it comes to maneuverability and ride, this has 4-wheel suspension. It's gonna be really smooth. You're gonna feel it all terrain.
I feel like you can tell the wheels are so large.
Especially for being a smaller stroller, it's gonna glide really nice. Right in the back, you're just gonna click that pedal. It's gonna brake so quickly.
Oh wow, that was really
really smooth. You're gonna hear it lock in place, and all you're gonna do is just tap your foot up. That's it, and you're good to go.
That's really reassuring and very quick too.
Yes.
So I feel like if you have a change of terrain or anything and you
need to lock it right away,
really stops. No hesitation at all.
I love that this seat reclines, but it reclines in 3 positions.
Ooh.
And then it's gonna lay fully
flat. So satisfying.
As for accessories, it does come with a rain cover in this cute little bag, which is really nice. The other accessories that you can purchase separately is a cup holder, a parent organizer, or even a bassinet stand. With this stroller, you have 3 options for newborn newborn compatibility. You can lie the seat flat while using the newborn apron. You can add a bassinet, or you can purchase adapters separately for most car seats. And lastly, for value and affordability, this stroller is gonna be in the upper mid-range.
Okay, that makes sense because it feels very premium quality. The wheels are great. It has that folding bassinet option and the 5 different modes. So you're really getting your bang for your buck.
Do you have more questions about the Silver Cross Breez?
Or is there other baby gear you'd like to see us try? Let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching Babyless Tries It, where we try baby gear in case you aren't able to.